Okay, sub 4 on skewb. Firstly, I just want to point out, you'll probably see on screen right now, that I'll be solving just skewbs in background while using just efficient layers and SARS advanced. Pretty slow turning, as you can see. If you can't turn at that speed, I recommend you drilling your sledges and hedges, and then also do practice with some layers. But yeah, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So method-wise, for sub 4, you definitely want to do SARS advanced. SARS intermediate is not going to cut it, right? And layers-wise, you want to be not super efficient. So I'd say somewhere like 5 moves average would be pretty good for layers. And there will be some cases where it's better to have a more ergonomic solution than an efficient solution. But those cases are kind of rare. One really good tip for people doing SARS Advanced is to know exactly where the sledges and hedges are. One thing I see people doing is that they sometimes only know how to figure out where to do the sledges and hedges. So they actually have to pause during the alg to try figure it out, right? That is not good at all. Yes, you should learn it in like a flowchart way, but I recommend using an alg trainer, which I'll put in the description, to practice all of these cases so that you don't have to think during the algorithm. I feel like you should put off one looking for now. You want to be really comfortable with SARS Advanced, and you should be able to. One looking comes at a later stage because you don't really need one looking. Like as you can see in the solves that I'm showing right now, I'm not one looking there. I'm pausing and I'm recognizing. I'm pretty rusty too. Now about NS. So, right, just cut back to me right now. There are some cases that you should be looking into NS for. These are the 4 and 5 sledges, mostly 5 sledges, and the really awkward cases. For example, I actually don't know how to solve this in like the SARS advanced way, because I just went straight for the alg. Yeah, these two. So the algs are really quite easy. For this one, hold it from back here, right? You have these two bars here. Holding like this, you have them back here. So you execute from this angle. You take this corner out. And then imagine twisting this corner, right? Imagine you want the green here. Right, so twist like that. And now you just insert this corner back. Quite similar for this case. Right, the bars are back here. And you hold from this angle. Take this corner out. Kind of twist this corner around that way. And you insert it. Really easy. Now these are just two cases. Some other cases you should look into are the pure peanuts. These have pretty good algs for especially compared to the SARS advanced cases. These you should definitely learn. The other ones would probably be these two cases, so this one and this one. So these two, they're really good to learn because I'm pretty sure these are 5 sledges to solve. So yeah, look into NS for these. All right, now for some example solves. I'll probably do 10 solves this time. But I'll speed up a lot. Okay, here, right off the bat, you can see this corner goes in, right? And this is a really cool layer case where they both twist like that. You solve like this. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, these I recommend you learn just because the algs are really good. But if you don't, it's still kind of fine. It's just know where to do the U-perms afterwards. But for this case, I do it like this. I do have a video, probably link it down in the description. That's the first scramble. Second one, oof, this is not nice. I'd stop looking at blue because of how bad it is. Yes, there's a 6 move layer, but yeah, there's already better on white. And then there's a more ergonomic one on green. So I can, actually no, that's an EG1 layer, EG2. Yeah, so just on white here, you can insert these two like that. rotate over, and do those 3 corners. Really nice. Here you can just rotate over, hedge, sledge. Okay, the scramble here. Okay, yeah. On blue, you can insert this corner in 1 move, and in this case, really nice, 1, 2, 3, like that. And then here, oh man, I want to do the NS so bad, but you know, just yeah, I forgot how to do the advance. Funny. Alright, solve 4. Okay. I just do blue here, 1 move to solve this corner, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, solve the rest. And then you can rotate over here. In this case, it's just hedge and then hedge cancel. Well, that's how I do it. Okay. Green, I see 4 mover already. And yeah, don't think anything's gonna beat that. Yeah. So 1 move to insert this corner. And these 2. It's 3 moves like that. You rotate over, and in this case, really nice. You do a sledge cancel and another sledge. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Blue, there's a 3 mover. Red, there's a 4 mover. Orange, there's a bad layer. It's like 5, I think. That's really weird. Yeah, I choose blue just because it's 1 less move, but okay. Not the best case. Red isn't either, but whatever. So after you do this, just, you know, sledge. I mean, you could learn the owl, but if you get it just from this orientation, I think sledge, cancel into sledge is the fastest. So it's like double sledge, but the second sledge goes into sledge cancel and another sledge. 7 solve. Oh, another pretty nice one. Yeah, okay, so this case, I really recommend learning the 1 look pattern for it because it's really nice. These 2 corners stay in the same place, which means if you just trace this going there, right, you can, like, this is the corners for the last layer, right? It's pi from this angle. And then the centers, these 2 swap and these 2 swap. So this one goes here, right? So the U center is like that, so it's a hedge. And then these 2 swaps, that's opposite, that's solve. This goes here, that's solve. So it's just a hedge. These 2 are solved. That one's opposite. So it's actually the hedge cancel case. Not hedge cancel, you do like the H perm skip thing. So I can do this layer like that. Rotate over, hedge, rotate, sledge. Okay, there's a 4 on yellow, and that's what I'm gonna look for really. Yeah, you know, pretty easy finger tricks. And then it's this case. And then you just sledge, hedge. Probably want to do sledge cancel actually. Yeah. Okay. This one's not the best actually. It's a 6 mover on orange, that's kind of nice. Yeah, I mean, honestly here, just I think on orange the best would be it's like 1 move there, and then these 2 corners is a 4 move case. So that's 5 moves, my bad. And in this case here, rotate over, hedge, sledge, hedge. Okay, just scramble. There's 3 on yellow. That's pretty nice. Yeah, nothing else really pops out here. So yeah, just, you know, do the first arm move like this. You have to regrip. And then, okay, in this case, hedge, sledge, sledge. I think that's optimal. Yeah, that sums it up. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you get sub 4 soon. Yeah, and have a good time.